Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can place the any texture on top of your model. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. And here you can see guys, here we have some basic node setup, which is I'm going to show you how you can use this. And this is the image basically, which is I'm going to place on top of this cup. Okay, and if you want to download this image, so I have downloaded this image from the Pixabay. You can download this image from here, and if you want to do practice on this same image, so I will put the link into the description. You can download this image from the description. So let's start it. So first of all, I just want to open a new file. So here you can see guys, here we have a one brand new project file. So and here we have that cup model basically. So for adding the any image on top of our model, so we have to just define that place where we want to add that image, that logo basically. That can be anything. Okay, so I'm just going to edit mode of this cup, and then I'm just going to define that area, something like that. I just want to select these edges. Here we want that image basically. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to just select the right click, and here we have to just click the mark seam. So here you can see guys, we have that kind of red seam here, and that's look fine. After selecting our seams, we have to just go to our object data property option. Here you can see that is the object data property option, and from here we have to just open this UV map section, and here we have to just create one new UV. So I just want to create this plus UV, and here I just want to change the name of UV, UV, something like that. Okay, and I just want to disable that UV, by the way, something like that. Okay, so after that I will just move my UV reading section from here, and here I just want to select my all faces, pressing the A, and here you can see that is our UV basically right now. So what we have to do, we have to just press the U, and then we have to just hit the unwrap. So here you can see guys, where we have add the seam, so that unwrap is here and rest of the unwrap is here. So what we have to do, we have to just select that unwrap and press the L to select all linked faces. Then I just want to scale it and keep it on a one corner side, something like that. And we have to just select this one, and here I just want to rotate this, something like that, and keep it in between here. Okay, so right now we don't need to change anything. So first of all, we have to just add the texture on our object, then we can see what happened exactly. So I'm just going to move my shading panel, and here I just want to add a new texture, and I will just change this principal BSDF as a diffuse BSDF, something like that. Here you can see I just want to enable my rendering mode. Yeah, and after that I will just add that image. So I just want to drag and drop that image from here to here, something like that, and then I will just plug this image into here. So here you can see guys, where we have did the unwrap, that image is automatically is here. Here you can see, but right now it's not look fine, and that's not look exactly what we want. Okay, so we'll fix this. So how we can fix this, we have to just move our UV reading section, and here we have to see. So I just want to select this part, and then I just want to scale it, something like that. Okay, and I just want to scale it on this axis as well. Yeah, something like that. So here you can see guys, here we have that image, by the way, that's look fine. Now here you can see guys, our rough is not look like a realistic cup. So for that we have to just move again our shading panel, and here we have to add some extra node. So first of all, I just want to add one node. It's called basically X node. Basically I just want to add one mix node, mix shader here basically, and I just want to plug it in between here. And then I just want to duplicate this diffuse BSDF, and here I just want to set this color as a black and decrease this as a 0 and keep it here. Okay, so right now you can't see any changes, but what we have to do, we have to just add one glossy node as well. I just want to add one glossy node. It's a glossy BSDF basically. Okay, but right now we don't have any slot to plug this node, so for that we have to add one more node. It's called basically add shader, and we have to just plug it in between here, and then we have to just plug this here to here. So now we can see the glossiness in our object basically. So first of all, we have to just decrease our glossiness from here, and we have to just decrease the little color into a grayish form, something like that. So here you can see our cup is look now fine. We have a little glossiness in our cup as well. Okay, and we can decrease little more. Yeah, and we can just increase the color. Yeah, I think that's look fine. Okay, so everything is look great to me, but we have to just add one more extra node to create this cup is more realistic. For that, what we have to do, we have to just add one layer weight node. Basically, I just want to add one layer weight node and plug this facing to into our FAC. Okay, I just want to plug this here FAC, and here you can see now we have a, here you can see guys, now it's look more realistic, but we have to just decrease into 0.1. yeah, so now it's look fine, and here you can see guys, that's look great. If I will just rotate my SDRI from here to here, so here you can see the great glossiness here, and we have also logo into our top of our object. If I'll just change our SDRI, so here you can see that's look great. We can change more. Here you can see that's look fine. So that's how you can add the any texture on top of your model. Okay, there is a little trick which is I show you here. We have to just add some nodes together, and we'll just get that beautiful result. Basically, here you can see you can use any kind of lighting according to your suitability. Okay, I like probably everything. Okay, so I like this light basically. Okay, so here you can see that's look great, and if we'll just take a render, so here you can see how it look like. So here you can see guys, that's look fine. Okay, so that's how you can add any kind of logo, any kind of image on top of your model. That is a very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have a suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.